See, in the Supreme Court yesterday, the matter came up before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court considered our request and our argument that the Karnataka is going ahead with the construction without any permission under Section 29 of the Wildlife Protection Act, as also the permission under the Forest Act, to which the Supreme Court inquired with the Karnataka government, and they also candidly pointed out to the court that they have applied for the permission from the forest authorities, and that the case is pending before the Chief Wildlife Warden of the state of Goa. That is taken note of by the Supreme Court in its order, and Supreme Court has said that the matter is sub judice before the Chief Wildlife Warden, and Supreme Court has further recorded that the earlier order of the Supreme Court that without the permission of all the authorities no construction can go on, that is recorded by the Supreme Court. Thereafter the Supreme Court said that insofar as this issue is concerned, since the matter is sub judice before the Chief Wildlife Warden, and since the order is already in force, the Supreme Court said that two things. One thing is that the matter will be heard in July. Secondly, the Supreme Court said that insofar as the DPR is concerned, the permissions which are granted for this DPR by the CWC should be furnished to the state of Goa. And not only this, the Supreme Court has further said that liberty is granted to us to apply to the Supreme Court again in case the occasion arises. So this is a good thing for us. One thing is that insofar as Section 29 is concerned, the Chief Wildlife Warden now, who is seized of the matter, and that his proceedings have become very, very sacrosanct for us. And our stand has been from the right from the beginning that everything will depend on Section 29 of the Wildlife Protection Act, and that stand of ours is fortified. And ultimately, it is the Chief Wildlife Warden of the state who will decide this issue. And according to me, there is no question of any water being diverted from Kalsa and Bandura project or from those rivulets in view of Section 29, which provides for a complete embargo of diversion of water for whatsoever purpose outside the wildlife sanctuary, unless it is for the benefit of the wildlife sanctuary. So therefore, according to me, our matter is on the right track now, and we are in a good and commanding position insofar as Mhadei matter is concerned.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.